Melt belly fat like crazy with this mortal combination of two fruits. When summer comes, most women are desperate to get back in shape. If you are limited in time and the gym is not an option for you, use this delicious and simple recipe, but very effective smoothie. Besides being delicious, this smoothie increase your metabolism and help you burn fat, and you're ready to go to the beach at any time. What makes this recipe so effective is the amount of important nutrients, which provide enzymes, fiber and minerals. Enzymes stimulate metabolism to burn more fat, while fiber keeps you satiated for hours, able to reduce sugar cravings. The only requirement in this weight loss method is to include this recipe in a healthy diet as possible. You can replace the batter for a meal like breakfast, or lunch for example. You can also replace your dinner, but then you have to cut the ingredients in half. If you are a fitness buff, this is just what you need after a strenuous workout. You will optimize the fat burning process, you will remove more fat cells and will build more muscle mass. Ingredients: a banana, a teaspoon of flaxseed, a teaspoon of grated ginger, ½ cup of pineapple slices, 1/3 cup of almond milk. Instructions: the preparation process cannot be simpler. Put all ingredients in a blender and blend until well mixed and diluted. If you like the content of this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I like to give and share with your friends. Leave your comments.